This is Biosphere 2 in Oracle, Arizona, a site that began as an experiment to test whether humans could build a self-sustaining habitat inside an enclosed structure on another planet, such as Mars. It was built between 1987 and 1989 by Space Biosphere Ventures under the leadership of John Pollock Allen and Margaret Augustine. It was all funded by the oil billionaire Edward Bass, and the total cost was $200 million at that time. The project consisted of 2 missions, the first of which ran from the 26th of September 1991 to the 26th September of 1993, 2 years. The second mission was supposed to last 10 months, but was ended prematurely after 6 months in 1994. After various changes in ownership and research projects, Biosphere 2 is now owned by the University of Arizona, where it is used to study, among other things, the impact of climate change. Inside the glass-enclosed biosphere, you find an ocean, mangrove wetlands, tropical forest, savanna grassland, and a fog desert. When you visit Biosphere 2, you can explore at your own pace with an app on your smartphone that provides all the information about this fascinating site. I've included the link to the website in the description if you are interested.